Hey guys, okay, what we got here is a very old wood planer, and it's made by Parks Woodworking Machines, Cincinnati, Ohio. Serial number is really hard to see, but after I clean it up, it'll come out. But a few things I gotta do to it. One is I gotta make a guard because your hand is literally right here. So I'm gonna do that. I greased her up today, so we'll see how well it slides down. Before it didn't want to do nothing at all, it was stuck. But this goes all the way down to 4 inches. So let's see. See how well it goes. There we go. See, it's got some bevel gears. Nice. Okay. Well, I lubed that all up last night, so it took. But lubed that up all in there last night and here, and let's see if she rolls. Oh yeah, she rolls. See the other side now. Yep, she rolls, so it's good. Gotta take the blades off here, getting cleaned up. Found out they're standard. This is a 12-inch wide, 4-inch, and it's standard for even today's lunchbox style ones. But you gotta check this out. This is really nice. Look at these gears. These gears are really nice shape. 88 tooth. The other one, I'm not so sure, and the other ones I'm not sure either, but I did find out this is 88 tooth right here. Chain drive for the feed roller and the rollers. There's 2 rollers. Let me crank her down and show you. There you go, your feed rollers here. And they do not hit they're independent. Okay. That's new to me right there. It's independent. So that's it, guys. That'll be the upcoming project next year, so stay tuned and give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you like this. Bye.